What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Messenger app not working. So basically, when you're facing this problem, if you try to open your Facebook Messenger app and it just doesn't opens up, and if it doesn't opens up, basically what's the use of Messenger? It's basically like saying, alright, I have a bottle of water but there is no water. I don't know why I mixed that concept. I just wanted to tell you guys in an easy way, like when your Messenger doesn't opens up, it's completely useless. You can't message your friend, you can't call your friend, you can't pick up the call of your friend as well. So to fix this, it's pretty simple. First step, you want to go to your app store and then you want to search for Messenger. Why you want to search for Messenger? Well, you'll know in a second, alright? Once you search for Messenger, if it says open, you don't have to worry, your Messenger is up to date. But if it says update instead of open, then you need to update your Messenger. It means your Messenger is not up to date. Sometimes this problem is caused by a bug and updating your Messenger will simply fix it. And even after updating your Messenger, if your problem is still not fixed, the next step you can do is you can go on your phone setting, go on general, go on iPhone storage. Over here, search for Messenger. Once you see Messenger, click on Messenger, click on offload app. And after your app is offloaded, there's going to be a reinstall button right where the offload app button is. Click on reinstall. Your Messenger will be reinstalled. It's simply like deleting and reinstalling your Messenger. You don't have to worry about it. Nothing is going to be wrong with your Messenger. Your account is going to be safe. All right. Once you do that, just restart your phone and open your Messenger. And your Messenger should open up. It should not say like app not working. If it still says this, then just delete your Messenger and reinstall it again. And it should work. So that's how you guys can fix your Messenger app not working. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. And for future app videos just like this, turn on the notification and bye-bye.